So I came to Bristol to get some content, but you know, it was dead tonight. So let's get into the video. Let me see what I can get you guys. All right, mate. You having a nice evening? I'm just doing some videos for my vlog. Yeah, for my YouTube. Are you guys having a nice evening?
Yeah, man.
Where's the party tonight?
Huh?
Where's the party tonight?
Well, it was a party at Factor, and now we're to the after party, G.
After party.
What
Yeah?
are you saying tonight?
Yeah, I'm just chilling, recording some nice videos for my YouTube. Yeah, do you want to say Ghana Fan Tube? Yeah,
Ghana Fan Tube.
In Ghana Fan Tube, yeah. So do you want to say a few words to my fans?
Yo, Wagwan, what's the father saying?
Subscribe, yes, subscribe.
Alright, so can you tell my fans, yeah? Can you tell my fans where's the best place to go to?
Subscribe.
Subscribe. That's the word. That's the word.
Best place to go, what, in Bristol?
Yeah. There?
Yeah,
There. There, down there. I'll be heading there in a bit.
Your trousers are wavy.
Take it easy, right?
What's your YouTube again?
Ghana Fan Tube. Ghana Fan Tube. Ghana as a country, Fan Tube. I'll be going live in 30 minutes.
Alright.
So I'll be live streaming around. So yeah.
We'll definitely watch it.
Yeah, definitely live stream in 30 minutes. Yeah. All right. All right. That was amazing. So this guys just subscribed to my channel, and I'm so pleased. So I think I missed the party, but hopefully we can get some live stream videos and talk to some locals. It's a Halloween night. And hopefully I can talk to some locals about what they're doing tonight and if they're having a nice time or not. Hopefully I can definitely go to a live stream. Go on a live stream shortly, hopefully to capture some amazing moments for you guys. So as you can see, this is where the guy was telling me that if you want to party in Bristol, this place here, Tekla, is one of the best happening place in Bristol. It's just a few minutes outside Park Street. If you head down to Con Street, it's not far from Con Street and King Street. Queen Square. So what I will do is I'll just film a little bit around this place. If you guys want to know much about this Tekla club, just let me know in the video.
Right, so it wasn't at 10, it was at 12. So they let me do that
I'm scared of
So it seems like there's a party going on tonight. I think I missed the party, but hopefully I can get you guys some content on the harbour side.
being beautiful people.
You ain't reusing it. Right.
You with me.
You know what? This is going to be fun and work.
You guys having a nice evening? I'm just doing a video for my YouTube. You guys having a nice evening?
Yeah.
You having fun?
Yeah.
You're going to party tonight?
Yeah.
Where's the party?
It just went at Tekla.
Tekla?
Yeah.
I think I just missed that. I'm going to harbourside. Hopefully I can get some.
Have fun.
Thank you. Enjoy your evening. Stay safe. All right. At the moment, I'm just in front of the Bristol Hotel, and I'm heading to harbourside, and then from there we can start live streaming, and hopefully we can talk to some locals or some party goers or Halloweeners to see what their nightlife, because it's quite dead. Yesterday it was tipping down, it was raining really heavy. I believe it kind of pushed people our way. And tomorrow is Monday as well, so I believe a lot of people probably got home early, you know, to get ready for work tomorrow. As I promised to go live tonight, you know, I keep my word, and I'm here in Bristol Harbourside to see if I could get you guys some Halloween night content. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to live stream from there and then all the way down there, and then we can wrap up at the Queen's Road. I think Queen Street or Queen's Road. Yeah. Right. Let me just point the camera for you again so that I can see how Bristol is looking like on the Halloween night. It doesn't look lively, but you know, it's better than nothing. Thank you. Yeah, it's very, very busy down here. This is Prism. This is the busiest nightclub in Bristol. Are you guys having a nice evening? Are you having a nice evening?
Oh, we're having a great evening.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What are you drinking tonight?
Well, we've had a few buds.
A few buds, yeah?
A few buds tonight.
Are you having more tonight?
I'm going to get a double so I get it.
Doubles, right? Have a nice evening. Wagwan. Wagwan. You want to say a few words? All right, so guys, we are almost about to wrap up, and for those of you who joined the live stream tonight, it's been pretty amazing. It's been pretty amazing. Thank you so much. Thank you for joining the live stream. I'm just going to end the live stream here. It's been a pleasure talking to you guys. I can't thank you guys enough. You guys having a nice evening? Yeah. as in having fun, chill.
Nice.
So I'm live streaming right now. I'm doing some content later. So if you want to say a few words, you'll be on the real channel probably tomorrow or this week.
Hi, Funchu.
Yeah.
In Bristol.
So can you tell my viewers if they're in Bristol for first night, where's the best place to go?
It depends on what you want to do. It depends on what you want to do. If you want to eat out, there's so many good restaurants. But if you want to go partying, there is Prism, really popular. Tekla's really popular.
Amazing.
Motion's popular, but it's farther away from like the city center.
Amazing. Well, thank you guys. I hope you guys have a wonderful night. Please stay safe. Yeah.
You too.
All right. Thank you very much.